Kwara State's Chief Judge Justice Abiodun Adebara has commissioned the newly remodeled Ajase-Ipo area court to enhance judicial infrastructure and create a modern and efficient judicial system in the state. This is contained in a statement made available by the Information Unit of the Kwara State High Court of Justice. At the commissioning ceremony held in Ajase-Ipo, Justice Adebara expressed gratitude to the Olukpo of Ajase-Ipo, Barrister Ismail Yahaya Alebiosu Atoloye, for his unwavering commitment to improving the administration of justice at the grassroots level.
I want to thank His Royal Majesty for the leadership that you are given to Ajase-Ipo community. Not only Ajase-Ipo community, but the entire Igomina land. During one of our programs in Lorry, I was telling the people that gathered there that in their various local governments, they should try and do one or two things for the judiciary. And I make particular reference to Ajase-Ipo, what they are doing. I told them particularly that an area called Remodel will be commissioned this week, done by the Ajase-Ipo community. And that I continued this other construction. The old office is also under construction, single-handedly being financed by His Royal Majesty, the Olukpo.
The Chief Judge acknowledged the Lagos chapter of the Ajase-Ipo Descendants Union, ADU, for their thoughtful decisions to make funds available for the successful renovation of the project, which has been serving as a neutral venue for resolving legal disputes for years. He enjoined the presiding judge of the court and supporting staff to make proper use of the facility and ensure that they should not be reluctant in forwarding their request to the Chief Registrar for expedited actions. Earlier at the ceremony, the Ààrẹ of Ajase-Ipo, Alhaji Abdulkarim Asumoge, revealed that the court was founded in the 1920s under the Ilorin Native Authority. He added that the grandfather of the present Olukpo of Ajase-Ipo, Oba Amodu Atoloye, was the first presiding judge of the court, which primarily handled cases related to the solution of marriage under Sharia law. The Ààrẹ explained that the Lagos chapter of the ADU felt compelled to rehabilitate the building due to its critical role in sustaining peace and preserving the integrity of the town, and praised the Chief Judge for his leadership and commitment in improving the judiciary in Kwara State. The Olukpo of Ajase-Ipo expressed his appreciation.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kwara State, to my mind represented by my Lord, the Honorable Chief Judge of Kwara State, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Judge of Kwara State, my Lord, Honorable Justice Adebara, my Lord, Honorable Justice Akinyemi Adebara, and I often say she's a daughter of this soil. For those who may not know, that is the daughter of the longest serving CJ in Kwara State, my Lord Justice Timothy Oyeyipo, who incidentally many years back, in the year 1979, he was the one who commissioned our Chief Magistrate Court in Ajase-Ipo. My Lord to my right, and of course, my blood brother, whom we grew up together, we school together, my Lord Justice Yusuf Adebayo Diko Jimba. See, that is what life can do. I make bold to say that the art of law practice, the art of being on the bench, honestly, I was born with it. And that account for the history just being told by Ààrẹ of Ajase-Ipo. My direct forebears, His Royal Majesty Oba Amadu Ejalonebu Atoloye I, was the first person to preside here as a judge. Today, many may not know the reason why I have advised ADU Lagos that fund we raised during Tafsir on the 9th day of Ramadan, last Ramadan. We had Tafsir in Lagos. We raised money in Lagos. So they now came for advice. Then I now suggested this court to them. It is today they will get to know that I have a purpose for saying that. The purpose is to assist the judiciary really and to move this community forward, and to the glory of God, history will always repeat itself. Here today, to the glory of God, I am His Royal Majesty Oba Ismail Bolaji Yahya Muhammad Atoloye II. You can see Bolo Oseman Shinkan. Atoloye I was the first judge to preside over this court. Why is it that it is during the reign of Atoloye II this court is being remodeled and being rejuvenated? I pray that the Lord Almighty will continue to make the soul of all the past Olupo to rest in peace. Amen. And particularly the soul of Oba Amadu Ejalonebu Atoloye Alebiosu to rest in eternal peace. Amen. Then I want to very sincerely thank my Lord, the Honorable CJ. CJ will inspect the level of work, both office and registry, so that the CJ will inspect the level of work there.
The Olupo of Ajase-Ipo expressed his appreciation to the Chief Judge for his vision for the judiciary, noting that renovation of the Ajase-Ipo area court would add to the number of courts that have been remodeled under Justice Adebara's leadership. After the commissioning, the Olupo led the Chief Judge and his entourage on a tour of the ongoing High Court building and oath office to inspect the level of work being done at the construction site.